Hello everyone, doing a video for Temu decorating ideas and craft supplies. Start off with showing these, get the bag open here. 10-gram bag of crushed glass, chunky, they say chunky glitter, but it's crushed glass. Pour them all out, just some of them, so you can get a little better idea of the color. It's a little hard to see in the actual bag, but just so you can get a better view of the color. A nice burnt orange color, dark orange as they have it listed. This was $1.35 for 10 grams. Let's see if I can. That'll be good for some UV resin, making some pumpkins. And I figured I'd use this to get it back in because I would make a mess. With the hole in the back there. Okay. See those? And then got this sign. Bates Motel. Nice little tin sign. Now, I did have another order, so when everything came in, it was a little bent out of shape, but wasn't too hard to push it back in, and it'll be able to easily flatten against the wall. Get some heavy books to be able to get it to flatten out level. Most of the time you can generally get it to flatten out. We all go a little mad sometimes. Bates Motel, no vacancy, vacancy. Everybody knows I enjoy my horror movies. So this is definitely something that'll be featured on the wall in my room. So I'll set that to the side, and that was $3.57. And the next one we have is 40-piece collectors of miniature medical school posters, and they are 1/12 scale. And these were $3.59. Really good detail. Good for miniature houses, little pictures. If you want to make a little necklace or something. couple on my hand here at one time. This one's influenza. Some of them are definitely full medical. Pictures. Be aware of that. There's internal and external pictures here. Just FYI. Lots of different pictures. Cell pictures. Pictures of instruments. Nurses, doctors. Old plague doctor outfit. Get that put back in without losing any of them. And I do have a miniature house that I've been working on for quite some time. It's been a little while since I've done any work on it, but I definitely have plans to finish it up. And I also, with some of these small ones, I can definitely put into some jewelry pieces as well. And the next one is 224, but I got 2 sets of these because they were just too cute to pass up, because they are miniature plastic pieces, replicas of candies. Hershey's, Snickers, Kit Kats, Reese's. So yeah, these will definitely be going into some future projects. Twix. Not sure if this one has any other styles or not. Some more Snickers, Hershey's, Snickers, some more Twix here. Snickers, some more Reese's in here, Kit Kats, Snickers, Twix, Snickers, and some more Reese's. So there were 15 pieces in each. So that's 30 pieces at $2.24 each, or 15 pieces at $2.24 each. So, that's not too bad at all. They are just cute. All sorts of projects that they can be put into. Llamas, trays, big trays, small trays, all kinds of stuff. Keychains. Try and keep it all in one. That way I'll double bag it here in a moment. And even comes with some pretty colored paper to use too. It is a leaf cutter mold, and it cuts 4 different shapes at the same time. And it was $4.34. So it actually cuts the 4 different shapes at the same time. I'm like, instead of just having, you know, cutting one shape, which they did have that option, you know, cutting the same shape 4 different times, I wanted one that cut different shapes at the same time, which I liked that option. And it comes with a couple of different pieces of paper, which I didn't catch that when I ordered. So that is a bonus. Not sure how many pieces of paper it comes with, but let's see. Pretty colors too, different colors on each side. 2, 3, 4. That's make a lot out of those 4. So $4.34 for the paper cutter, and you can use alcohol inks and make your own different colors on paper as well, using the oranges, yellows, and greens, or whatever colors you're after, browns and stuff as well. I don't need the loud plastic. I'll set that aside. And then I got a cute frog decoration. Let me grab some scissors right quick, since that one doesn't want to easily tear. There it goes. Now that I got it started. There we go. Now I can get to Mr. Froggy. He was too cute to pass up. For $2.27, most definitely. Had to add another skelly to my collection of other skellies. And I have a huge collection of skellies, and I love them. So yeah, he is pretty cool. And last but not least is a 2-pack of balloon dog molds for $3.63. There's 2 sizes. And you can use a little clamp, which I'd probably cut in between here so I can actually clamp these together a little easier. It holds the molds together easier with a little pinch clamp to keep the legs together and be able to keep the resin from going between the legs a little bit easier. But these are fun to make. And this is my little Temu haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and say thank you all to all my subscribers. Appreciate everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope everyone's had a good day. And I will have all the links in the description as I usually do. So keep an eye out for all that. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.